Hey everyone, welcome back to Works Garage. If you're looking to upgrade the rear view mirror to an auto dimming style on your GR86 BRZ, you're in the right place. Let's get this started. I purchased my mirror from Hachi Electronics. He's here local in the Denver area. Is the auto dimming mirror that has the HomeLink buttons on the bottom. It is in very good condition here. It comes along with the wiring harness to wire it in, and you have a few options when getting it. You can get the USB and RJ connectors if you want to do a radar detector and or a dash cam. The first step you're going to need to do here is to remove the mirror. It is on a little tight, but it is possible. So you're going to pull back and slide up at the same time, but you got to make sure you do it just right. And it will click out when it comes up. So you're going. This is the OEM mirror that came in the car versus this bigger mirror here. I guess they are a little bit bigger. So we'll have to see what it does, what it looks like once it's installed here. Not much, just slightly. I do have the model with the two cameras here, the eyesight. And then we're going to have to get into here to get that out of here. There's a wiring harness up in here somewhere. In order to remove that, I believe there's some bolts under here. There's a panel here that we need to remove, so just grab a flathead screwdriver or a plastic panel removal tool if you have one, because you're going to need to get this part to clip out. Yes, and it looks like there's two bolts right here. Some cars, these two little bolts here are Phillips screws or JIS. In my 2025, they appear to be 8 millimeters. And they appear to be very long too. It has 4 clips, 2 here and 2 here. Actually, maybe 6. Yeah, 6. So it has 4 fingers, one there, and one in each corner here. I did wind up unplugging this guy. It's very hard to get unplugged. The little finger tab is very hard and pulling at the same time. I unplugged the SOS button here. So like I was saying, it's on the passenger side. The right side is this little plug that's just up here and attached. You'll plug your wiring harness into that. Slide this guy on. Keep in mind it has a 20T wrench you will need now. Maybe I'll plug that guy on first. Maybe it's easier. Yes. And then slide it on here. So I am going to leave these unplugged and put them in my glove box for future when I do get my radar detector and dash cam. I'll just leave those guys there like that. That's not hurting nothing. And I guess I'll start plugging everything back up now. I'll start with the hard guy here, or that was hard to unplug. I'll come over here to my SOS here. We'll take this 3D printed thingy-majigger here. There it is. It's on. Take the 20 millimeter, not 20 millimeter, the T20. Kind of watch what you're doing because you're screwing it onto a plate onto your windshield there. Put your 8 millimeters back in. You're just going to reverse installation. Now, to calibrate your compass in your mirror, you'll press and hold the power button. Keep holding. It will go to a zone. You will push the power button, rolling the number to get to your zone. I'm in Denver, Colorado. I Googled it and I'm number 11. You will get number 11. Let it do its thing. Now it's back on the compass. You will press and hold again. Keep pressing. You'll see your zone. Keep pressing. You will now see C. It's in calibration mode. You will find a cul-de-sac or a circle that you can drive in. You don't have to be in a big hurry because it will stay in that mode until you find the circle you can drive in. Now we're coming up on a roundabout in my neighborhood. Doesn't have a lot of traffic, so I'm going to ride around this roundabout here until it calibrates. As you can see, it's now calibrated. Looks good to me. The mirror installation was very easy. I do recommend it as it will help you at nighttime when you're in a sports car that's low to the ground and there's a lot of big tall SUVs around you. It will help for the light glaring back at you. I would like to thank you for watching today's video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And remember, treat others how you would want to be treated. Have a good week.